Afternoon students, you are welcome to e-learning class of Oriental Public School. I am Pankaj Kumar Misra today here with a video of class 10 geography lesson 1. This is fourth part of this lesson. Today we are going to read about land resource. As we have already read, resource means the things that is available in our environment comes in our use and satisfy our need is called resource. Like this, land is also one of the important resource that has many uses in our life. So let's begin this topic. Land as a resource. Land is the habitat of man. All the economic activities are performed on the land, like farming, building or construction, any economic activity related to human beings are performed here. The soil cover on the land is essential for plant growth. So land is necessary for agriculture. Land is used to set up industries or its unit. As farmers cultivate different types of crops, these all are performed on the land. We construct industries, houses, buildings. These all are required lands. These are few uses. Roads and railways are built on the land. Commercial activities also required land. Natural vegetation and wildlife are supported by land. So now we have read what are the uses of land in our life. We the human beings have so many requirements in our everyday life. Most of the requirement we fulfill from land. It is told by some research that human fulfill 95% requirement from the land. Now topic is land under different relief features in India. As we have mainly three relief features, these are plain, mountains and plateau. Plain contain 43% total geographical land of the India. Mountain contain 30% and plateau contain 27%. So these are the percentage or proportion of land under different relief features of India. 43% India's land area is plain. The region is good for agriculture and industry. As we know that plain region is ideal for agriculture. India is an agricultural based country. That's why northern plain is the mostly region having plain region. So it is densely populated and intensively cultivated. 30% of land area is mountain. This region is rich in water resource. Mountain region is known for its water resource. Plateaus occupy 27% of land area. This region is rich in the mineral, fossil fuels and forest. So there are three main groups of physical part of India, and each feature or each part of the physical land has certain features for the resource, as I have told here. Now moving to the next point, that is land use pattern in India. Total land area of India is 3.28 million square kilometer. Out of this, here I have grouped the different using patterns. 43.41% of the land area is net zone area. Kind for your information, net zone area is the area which is cultivated more than 2 times in a agricultural year. Okay, the forest occupy 22.57% of land area. 6.29% of the land is waste land, means which is wasted and there is no use of that land at present. 7.92% of land is used for non-agricultural purpose. Non-agricultural purpose like construction, housing, road, bridges, market, complex, railway, bus stops. These are the areas that come under non-agricultural use. 3.45% of land is pastoral land. Pastoral means which is for grazing land, where cattle are grazed. 1.10% of the land is tree crops, where trees are mostly cultivated or planted. 4.41% of the land is cultivable land, wasteland. Cultivable means it is a type of wasteland. 3.82% of the land is fallow, other than current. Fallow means which is remain ideal, non-cultivated. That is called fallow. Means there is no any activity of agriculture. It remains ideal. That is called current fallow, other than current fallow. 7.03% of land is current fallow. So these are the some groups of the uses of geographical land of India and their percentage. Now our next point is causes of land degradation. Becoming polluted of land is called land degradation. There are so many causes of land degradation. These are as following. Large scale soil erosion caused by running water and wind. Water and wind running by different agents is also one of the major cause for land degradation. Dumping of waste material from mining centers and industrial units are also one of the major cause for land degradation. Over irrigation leads to increase in the salinity and alkalinity of the soil. If you are under over irrigation, means it will increase the salinity and alkalinity of the soil, which will cause soil erosion or degradation. Overgrazing by animals and deforestation by men are also one of the main cause of land degradation. Wastewater from the industries pollute the lands. Minerals processing like grinding of limestone for cement industry and calcite and soapstone for ceramic industry creates a lot of dust. This dust is deposited in the neighboring land. So these also cause land degradation. There I have explained 6 causes that cause land degradation. So now if you have any problem, you can understand from here also. Just now I have explained this one. I think it is clear. This is all about in this video. I will come very soon with next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.